Okay, I will share now. Let's continue. So here, Lynn, please try to do the quiz. Then check your answer. Okay, please do the. Dahil nga, nalalang din na dahil. I5, karon din ako mag-balance yung check. Diba? Move pag ano, ano na ka-oras. Thanks. Ano ka? Ako. Thanks.
Teacher English. Teacher English.
Okay. So during World War II, the scientists make use dandelions to make rubber. Okay. So the first bicycle had wheels made of wood with iron tire. Yeah, this one. I knew this one. It's wood. Which one of these materials did ancient Romans not have? Okay. The answer is paper. Okay, because mostly ancient Romans they used ceramic. Okay. Are these sentences true or false? The answer is letter B is your answer. Okay, A false, B false. A false and B false. The earliest use of nylon was in the where? Guitar strings, it's toothbrushes. Okay, there are some guitar strings actually it is nylon, but way back before it's not actually nylon made of the guitar. It's made of abaca. Okay, which of these metals is the hardest and which is the heaviest? Okay, the hardest is letter E, Goa. E, steel. Of course, steel is the hardest. And of course, the heaviest is gold. That already taken. Lynn, that gold is the heaviest. Okay, no one can question that one because gold is a tangible asset. Okay, if you have gold, of course, you are rich. Way back before. Okay, so okay, so Lynn, we don't have enough time. Teacher Ann will say goodbye and let us have to continue this on
Tuesday.
Tuesday, okay, 9 p.m. So our schedule, Lynn, for Sunday, we will change it. It will be 7 p.m. already. Am I correct?
Okay.
Yeah, so it's not 9 p.m. anymore. It is 7 p.m.
Okay, teacher. Good night.
Okay, okay, good night, Lynn.